Nailah from Nailah's Word Bazaar, and welcome to the world of words where learning is fun. Today's word of the day is limpid. Limpid, limpid. The definition of limpid is completely clear and transparent. This word is derived from the Latin word limpidus. The word limpid is used to describe something that is clear, serene, and bright. An example of a sentence with the word limpid is, black clouds now appeared against the limpid sky. Some of the synonyms of limpid are clear, transparent, glassy, etc. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and stay updated for more words.